Let's proceed. You must be Mr. Lorry. Yes, of Talison's Bank, London. Please take a seat, Mr. Lorry. They sat at a small table close to the fire. Miss Manet, she started asking questions to Mr. Lorry, and Mr. Lorry gave answers. She said that you must be Mr. Lorry. He gave answer in affirmative. Yes, he is. And after that, after small conversation, they both sat at a small table close to the fireplace. This has to do with my father's property, I believe. So Miss Manet here, she said to Mr. Lorry that she think that this meeting may be about, has to do something with her father's property. Mr. Lorry clearly did not know where to begin. Miss Manet, I have been working for Talison's all my life, but for the first 15 years I worked in Paris. Talison's does a lot of business in France. So Mr. Lorry, he became very nervous and he didn't know how to begin. Then he started like anything. He started like he began with by saying that he was working for Talison's, and for the first 15 years he worked in Paris, and Talison Bank does a lot of business in France in those days. I see. Miss Manet, she said that. Miss Manet wondered how this could be possibly concern her. Miss Manet, she was wondering that what she had to do with all these kinds of things. She was not getting the point of this meeting. Mr. Lorry, that's how I met your father. It was a business relationship. You understand? I am a man of business, you see. But he did trust me with many of his private affairs. Mr. Lorry continued. In relation to a business in France, I met your father, but after some time we became good friends. And your father, he started trusting me a lot, and he also started sharing his private affairs with me. I hope that you people are getting it. Please read it twice for the better understanding. Mr. Lorry, perhaps I can help by telling you what I already know. My father was a doctor from Beauvais who married an English woman, my mother. That's correct. My mother lived for only 2 years after my father's death. When she died, it was you who brought me to England, where I have been provided for by Talison's Bank. Miss Manet, she was not getting anything because Mr. Lorry was telling the things that she already knew. In order to make it clear that what is the purpose of the meeting, she intervened and said that Mr. Lorry, let me help you by telling you that what is already known to me. She said that her father was a doctor and he got married with an English woman. Firstly, her father died, and after 2 years, her mother also died. After after the death of her parents, then you brought me here in England, and ever since that day, Talison's Bank is taking care of me. That's it, students. So read all these things twice so that you can get it. And I hope that you people have already gone through the earlier pages, and you people read page number 17 and 18. We'll discuss it later on, and also start learning the question answers of chapter number 1. Thank you.